So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is basically level 3 quiz. Here you have to simply click on start lab. So once you click on start lab, the lab will show like this. You have to just open the quiz over here. In simple words, you don't have to do anything in this lab because you have to wait for 5 minutes and simply end the lab. But still, if you want to just play, you can just play the code and just try to complete the challenge. Okay, like this you can simply play it. So let's run it. So like this, if you want, you can just answer the quizzes over here. And it's a fun quiz. If you want, you can perform. But as a part of this lab for getting the check mark, the lab should be kept running for at least 5 minutes. And after that, you have to simply end the lab because we don't have to perform any task over here, right? Still, I'm showing you the quiz. So let's come over here. It's legacy system. Do not worry if it shows like -50. Okay, you don't have to worry. Now simply enter your name and just submit it. That's all. Now wait for 5 minutes and simply end the lab.